Good afternoon, everyone. Good morning, good evening, good night, depending where you are watching this video from. I am not happy. Something is really bothering me, and it's better I say it out than to allow it to die inside of me. So many things have been going wrong, which I have been keeping quiet, or some of us have been keeping quiet, but because who will talk, or maybe you no go talk, somebody will say because you have spoken, and for that reason they will not call you again. I don't in fact I don't care about what anybody will say. That you are my friend doesn't mean you will not respect my career. You don't put me on your poster. You don't make posters before you contact an artist. Nobody does that. Such rubbish. You don't use somebody, make big board, post everywhere. 2 days to the program or 1 week to the program, get more Bonyan to know if it's available or not. I mean, who does that? It is, in fact, it is out of it. It's not part of what this business is all about. First of all, you contact your artist. You pay the person. If not all of the money, pay him part of the money before you can go out and start your publicity. You don't just call me for an event which you have already made the poster, start making jingles, mentioning my names, calling my names, all my names that I'm coming, while you have not even contacted me. People say, oh, that date is not available. Oh, and we have made posters, and we have started publicizing, and we have started making radio jingles. How dare you? It has happened so many times. Both bar owners, hotel, show organizers, churches. Again, the church is getting me crazy, but some of them that call them that is men of God. You don't put me in your big board, your posters before calling me. Some of them, they will intentionally do it, but knowing you are not going to come. They will just call you 2 days to the program. Hey, become a crusade in area. This is here, no. He will come back and tell his followers that yes, we called him a message sign home or a program. Who does that? Why are you lying with the name of God? Because I am saying this and I will not say it. Somebody will be an scapegoat. Because nobody will remember that I have warned or have sounded it as a warning. They will only pick up that Chifimo did this because they are only waiting for when I will do small mistake. Happy care or body for this kind of mistake, I'm going to do it. Nobody placed me in this place. That pictures you are putting there is where I eat from. You don't put my pictures without contacting me. Nobody does that. You can't do it. In the Yoruba, they can't do it. Perhaps you never paid me, you never contacted me, you never called me. Now when I give church members, it doesn't give you any right. Even my blood brother name doesn't have right to eat him na poster when he know I'm not coming or without contacting me. So let's respect ourselves in this industry. I do my things the way I want it. But if you push me, I will do something everybody will not like. So now like you know you talk and bear the program, then you go ahead and make your publication publicity. Sorry I'm sounding harsh, but I have to. God bless you. Thank you. I still love you. Chifimo loves you. I care. Beware of 419 people. Be careful about fake accounts, fake shows, and all the rest of them. Mind what they told you. Confirm from me to know if whether I was called to come or not. Don't carry fake news around. Always be eager to tell good about people and not the other way around. As you do that, God